dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us know. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, but yeah.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from Unice Hair. They sent over one of their 13x4 pre-everything kinky curly units. So if you want to see how I got this unit to go from this to this, keep watching. This is what the unit is looking like straight out of the box, and don't get me wrong, she's cute and all, but let's be real, whenever you take the time to actually style the unit, she comes out looking a lot better. Again, this is one of their pre-everything units, so she is going to come with pre-cut lace, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. Now, in my opinion, I do feel like the knots could have been bleached a little bit better, but at the exact same time, like, it wasn't too bad. Like, I feel like I made it work just fine. Don't get me wrong, the knots aren't like super huge or anything like that. I just felt like it was something worth mentioning, just because I know some people don't want to see like any knots whatsoever. But to me, depending on how big the knots are, like, this is a good representation of that. Our natural hair like comes from a follicle, correct? So therefore, I don't know, I kind of almost view the little knots as like little follicles that the hair is growing from. I don't know. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps, and they also do offer a security band that you can attach, remove, and or adjust if you choose to do so, but it comes separately inside of the box. I chose not to attach mine. As for the lace, again, this is a 13x4, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. When it comes to Unice's pre-everything units, they typically have 2 blue tabs on the ends of the lace, and those sticky tabs are what you can use to attach the unit to your head. They typically send a lot of extra tabs as well, just in case you want to add more along the perimeter of the unit, you know, to secure your hold even more. Now, personally, I'm not the biggest fan of those sticky tabs, so you will hardly ever catch me using them. But if you are someone who wants to try them out, or you feel that they are very beneficial for you, then hey girl, have at it. I feel like I've pretty much covered the specs of the unit, so let's go ahead and jump into styling this unit.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or it can reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it down. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush.
I don't want to take up too much more of you all's time, so we're going to run through my pros and cons really quick. When it comes to the cons of this unit, I really only have one, and that would be that this unit does shed, or at least she did shed. Now keep in mind, I literally took this unit straight out of the box, so I had not shampooed, conditioned her, let her air dry like I typically do with most of my units. So I was expecting some shedding, but not as much. The shedding could have possibly come from whenever they pre-plucked their hairline and didn't like comb back through it. Or it could also be the fact that it's just like a curly unit. I'm looking down at like the shedded hair, that's why I keep looking to the side. But it could also be the fact that it is a curly unit, and on top of that I was combing her out or brushing her out while she was dry. And if you have 4B 4C hair, you know that if the hair is really dry, your natural hair is really dry, you're gonna get more shedding, whether that's just like ripping from the actual scalp or if it's like the breakage of individual curls. Yeah, it could be from either one of those, but nonetheless, she did shed. Now my pros for this unit are obviously the texture. Like, obviously I'm gonna love the texture. Like, it's a natural texture. It's mimicking my own texture. It looks very much so realistic, right? Right. Also, once you style the unit, again, it just looks very natural. And then my third pro for this unit is the fact that I don't have any glue, adhesive, anything, except for on the ear tabs. That's it, that's all. This unit is completely glueless. The fact that this unit is a full-on 13x4, yet I don't have any glue, sprays, adhesives, again, except for right here on my sideburns, but yet the unit still fits and feels secure, speaks volumes. Now we'll go ahead and show you guys the hairline, because I mean, obviously the hairline is being covered up, so I didn't go in and pre-pluck it anymore. I feel like the pre-pluckedness of this unit looks pretty good for the most part. Would I pluck her a little bit more? Probably, if the hairline was pushed back, but it's not that deep to me. Over here she is starting to lift a little bit, so I probably should go in with a little bit of spray, but again, like, nobody should be tugging in my wig or anything like that. So I feel like she's sitting on pretty secure. Like, I have no complaints. Hold on, now I gotta fix her back and put her into place. Now, you know, we got to talk about whether a unit is big head friendly or not. In my opinion, I wouldn't say that she's big head friendly. Currently, she is sitting on my head nice and comfortably, but if you have more hair than me or a bigger head than me, she might be on the tighter side. For me, this is another winner from Unice Hair, so thank you so much for sending her over. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.